It's D.I.Y Mommy, and I'm here with my brother Ebbi and Makai. And today we're going to be doing melted crayon art. So taking one too with them. And
so we're going to start the video.
You need a canvas and you need crayons and a heat gun. If you don't have a Cricut machine or a silhouette machine, then you need a pre-cut sticker. But I have a Cricut machine, so I'm going to be using this Cricut brand vinyl. Okay, what do you want? Mickey Mouse?
Mickey Mouse.
Edie, what do you want? We are back. We had to change the camera angle. But, yes. We soaked them in water so we can get the peeling off. So now we're just going to peel them. Y'all can talk to the people.
Yeah. Let's do this ride. Huh? I said let's do this ride.
Stand up and dance.
This is Ebbi in my car, and my mom was in there trying to pull out that water and all the water. And so the video's for the start, and we gonna get our butts into the camera.
Alright. And now we're just peeling the paper off the crayons.
Next. Out with my Cricut machine, and I already put them on contact paper. I'm gonna try mine on the cup. We're gonna see if it works. If it don't, oh well. Peel the clear piece of paper away. Peel it away just like that. Good job. Stick yours on the canvas. Not under it. Okay, your canvas on the wrong side. We're on the wrong side.
Makai had his canvas on the wrong side. Down, stick it down, stick it down, stick it down. Rub it hard. Rub it really hard. Rub it. I'm gonna just do it for you so you won't cut yourself. Rub it, rub it, rub it. Alright, so contact paper. Hold yours up, Evie. Sticker onto their canvas.
Let's
do it.
Nope.
I put mine on the cup. Alright. You making a stick. You made him some eyes. The vinyl messed up, and so his Mickey Mouse is not gonna have a face, but he was drawing him some eyes. It was very cute.
You make him some eyes too?
Make him a nose.
Make him a nose too?
Yeah, make him a nose. This is Ebbi's. His went on good. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. It went on good, but once I put the crayon on, I don't know if that's gonna do good on the cup or not.
Hey, Mama.
We'll see. You keep that. That's beautiful.
Hey.
Look at his little nose.
Do we have black?
That's really good. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Now we are done actually with the crayon part, and we're letting it dry. I think Ebbi's so far. Makai, let me see yours. Yours is still not dry. Makai's is still kind of wet. But for Ebbi's, we're gonna start trying to pull off
Yeah,
his
they drop.
sticker.
He's done.
It has a hook on it. Ebbi, where was your sticker?
His sticker's the side. You can't see it. It's right there, Mama.
I know.
Is it trying to be treasure?
No.
What's that?
Oh, that's the head.
Yeah, that's his head.
Oh no, it's a really long. I love you, Mama.
I love you too.
And maybe too, Mama.
Ebbi. Oh, don't that look cool? We're gonna peel off Makai's. So Makai had a Mickey Mouse, so we're gonna see how his Mickey Mouse is turning out.
What about the
I guess his nose and his ears and his mouth. Oh, there's a smiley face. That's so funny, Mama.
I think that's good for Makai. Show him yours, Ebbi. Makai, hold up yours so they can see it.
It's his eye. I can't see his eyes.
I don't know, but it looks good.
I can see his face. Oh, I can see.
Like this video and just subscribe.
Subscribe.
Just like that.